Hey guys, yeah, I'm just doing some preventative maintenance on the Rad Mini 4, the front wheel. Of course, this one has a quick release. My objective is I took the skewer out and the springs and whatnot, and I'm just putting a little bit of a grease on those to help protect against rust. Same with inside the chamber right here. With something else I was noticing, I was kind of just checking out the axle itself. As far as the bearings, now I have not taken anything apart here, okay? But these are, it's not loose at all, but these are extremely tight. I mean, tight to the point when you turn them, you can feel that resistance. And it's almost like I don't know, when you turn the whole axle assembly, you can feel kind of like the rubbing and the grating on the inside. And at least in my experience with bearings, you shouldn't have that kind of resistance inside of there. Well, at least two reasons why you would have that resistance. One, they're too tight. Basically, your cone nut, the one that actually goes in and fits against the inside of the bearings, is either too tight or you don't have enough grease. My guess would be there's not enough grease. Now, this axle here has almost 300 miles on it. So I don't know. I don't want to open the whole thing up yet, quite yet. This is kind of just a preventative type of maintenance. But I think while I have it at this point here, I'm going to go ahead and clean the rotor off. Rubbing alcohol. Very important. I mean, I don't know about you guys, but it seems like every time I pull a wheel off, even being extremely careful with the rotor, making sure it's not getting hit against anything or bent. It's like when I put it back in, reassemble the wheel, the whole thing is screwy-looey. I don't know. So, but yeah, I'm just going to do that. I mean, look at all that. My God. Yeah. Don't get any contaminants on your rotors. Don't, the natural oil and stuff in your skin can screw these up too. So, yeah, kind of what I'm doing right here. And of course, as I said, I have the skewer out in the other room, and I've got grease on the internal part inside here. I put a little film of grease around the actual skewer itself. It'll help, prevent against corrosion and different things like that. So it's kind of what I have going on here right now, guys. Preventative maintenance with the weather being the way it is. Everything else is looking pretty good. Front rim is true. The tires need a little bit more air. Yeah, it definitely needs some more air. Cold. That happens. Cold air. The air shrinks out. When it's hot, it expands. So kind of my little bit here on some preventative maintenance for the Rad Mini 4, guys. Anyways, hope you're keeping safe out there. Ride safe. And I'll see you on the next video. Peace.